Okay, welcome back once again. Let's try and do this simple exercise. Please make sure you subscribe to the channel, and also all the drawing that we are doing, make sure you practice them. The more you practice, the more you become very good in it. So if you don't understand anything, leave the question in the comment section below, and please try to practice. That is when you become perfect. Okay, so let's get this drawing. Let's do it now. With this one, we are seeing a big slot over here. It's very simple, with a radius of 30 and 20. The distance between these two, between the slot, is 100. Okay, sorry, actually 150 here. And then we have an arc, 4 arcs around it. So we will do one side and mirror to the other side. So before we start, let's start from this side, radius 30 and 20. Let's create this middle one first. Okay, so you open your AutoCAD and you open your circle command. You can type C for circle, you press enter, you click anywhere, then enter a radius of 30. It's too small, zoom out. Now you can press enter to activate the circle command again, and then you press a radius of 20. Okay, so 30 and 20, good. Now we have it. So what you're going to do is you're going to copy. So copy it, use the shortcut CO, click the center of it, move it down, and enter 150. Good. Now you have it nicely down. Now let's connect line. Okay, a line from this end to this place. Now you can copy this line, CO, or copy shortcut and click all the 4 quadrants. Okay, now let's trim what we don't need. Trim this place, trim this inner side. Okay, so we are done with the inner slot. Now you can see we are having 2 circles beside it. The distance from this center to this center is shown here, that is 25. So to make it easy, I'll use a line. I'll draw a line from this side, come down 25, and then come here 90. Okay, the measurement is showing here. So take your line command, select the center, come down 25, and then go this side 90. You press enter. Okay, now let's draw the circles with radius, diameter 30 and 50. So select your circle. Let's take the circle, center diameter. We have 30, press enter again, and then 50. Good. Am I right? I think the first one was radius. So select the center diameter, enter 30, select the circle again, and then enter 50. Okay, so now the distance between these 2 circles is shown here, 100. So you copy it also, CO for copy, and then move it down 100. You press enter. Okay, now you see there is an arc attached to this circle which is having a radius of 80. So just go to your circle command, click turn radius, click here, enter your radius of 80. You press enter. Trim the unwanted side. Now let's mirror this one. Click, select mirror, click the center, and then to be mirrored. Now click no. Okay, now let's delete this line. We don't want them again. Very good. There's an arc also here with radius 80. So select your turn radius, click here, enter the radius. Is it 80? No, 50 actually. 50. So enter a radius of 50. Good. Let's trim and mirror from the center. Okay, go select no. Now this side is complete, so we can mirror the whole side to this side. So select everything from this side and then click mirror. Now click the center of this and click select no. Now this is what we are supposed to do. Okay, but let's dimension the work so that to be a bit better. So I would like to increase my line weight as well. Click here. Now let me create a layer. I would like to create a layer for my dimension, so I'll give it a name and change the color as well to like green. And then I would like to change my line width because it will pick that of the drawing and I don't want that one. So let me take 0.2. okay, and let me close it. Make that layer active by clicking on it. Okay, so let's dimension our work. Let's take the linear first from the center to the center. Yes, 150. See, it's very small. So for you to make it bigger, just go to annotation, dimension, manage dimension style, and then change it from modify and make it 5. Go to test also, change it to 5, click OK and close it. See, it becomes a little bit bigger. You can change it to the size you want. Alright, so let me continue. This center is 100, and then I have another linear from this place, the center to this center, which is 90, and then this place to this side is also 90. Okay, now let's go for the radius, which is this side shown here, 80. Then radius again, let me dimension this one, showing a radius of 50. And then I think this is a diameter, so I'll choose diameter for this one, and then the inner one as well. And then I'll go for, let me dimension this place to this place, which is 45, sorry, 25 actually. Move it here. Okay, and what is left? Yeah, I think we are done. Actually, I don't want to dimension these circles again because it's the same as this. So when you see this one, you can actually see, and also this arc over here is the same as this one. So I think these ones will help you. Now it seems our dimension is very small. Let me increase it a little bit. Let me make it like 6 instead of 5. So 6, and then go to the text also. You can make it 6 from here. Then go to OK, close. See, it's a little bit bigger. Okay, thank you all for watching. Please subscribe, leave your questions in the comment section below, and like the video. Share to your friends who also want to learn. Thank you all for watching. See you in my next tutorial.